Hello, today's video will be about a 2005 Honda Civic which the owner had a check engine light come on, and I guess they thought adding oil would fix the light. But I guess seemingly they added a whole 5-quart jug, so when they started it, it started smoking and backfiring so bad, yet they still drove it home that way. Guess they got lucky because any more oil could have caused some serious engine damage. Once they brought it to me, as you can see, the worst of the smoking had gone away, but still doesn't run right. Guess we'll find out if they avoided any damage to the engine itself. And these are all the codes that came up after the oil had been added. Guess it's to be expected. I'm sure the original code that popped up was that evap code. Well, let's find out how much oil shows up on the dipstick. Well, it definitely has too much. It even continues up past the twisted portion. Well, time to find out how much oil is in there. I'm going to use this open container that holds 7 quarts to give us an idea of how much oil comes out. Now we can just remove the drain bolt to get all that oil out of there. I'll fast forward it while it drains because this one will take a long time if I leave it normal speed. Well, it looks like I gotta put the plug back in so I can empty the drain pan since it's gonna overfill. And that right there is about 7 quarts of oil, and there's still some left in the engine. Well, after emptying the drain pan, let's finish draining the remaining oil. And what came out is about another half a quart, so that makes just below 8 quarts. And this is the old oil filter. Well, time for the new oil and filter. It takes just about 4 quarts total, not anywhere near the 8 quarts that it had. And that right there is about 3.5 quarts. After we start it, it should need about half a quart more. But first I gotta replace the spark plugs, which I'm sure are gonna be oil soaked. Yup, that's just what I expected them to look like. I'm sure the remaining 3 will look pretty similar. So let's get the old ones out and the new ones installed so we can see how it runs. And these are the new plugs. I'll skip over to the last one so I don't take up much time. Now we just gotta build oil pressure and check the oil again. But right away I can feel a difference in how it runs. Now we just gotta add about half a quart and it should be up to the mark. And that makes it about 4 quarts that we put in. Well, they definitely got lucky. It runs as it should. Hope you guys found this video helpful and informative. Please click that like button if you did to support my video and channel. And don't forget to subscribe.